HSE Safety Supervisor interviews. Important question and answer. What is blanket permit? A blanket permit is a permit issued on the basis of location where the multiple jobs are to be carried out at safe location. If a person is heavily splashed with corrosive liquid, what will you do? Get him quickly under running water and remove clothing. What would you do before working on a pipeline? Isolate it. Drain and purge it of fume or liquid. What are the basic requirements to prevent buildup of highly flammable or toxic gases? Adequate ventilation. What type of tools should be used on drums containing flammable liquids? Non-sparking tools. What is acute toxicity? Acute toxicity is defined as that which is manifest on short exposure. What is chronic toxicity? Chronic toxicity is defined as that which is manifest over a long period of time. Where there is dust or fumes given off, where should the exhaust hood be placed? Where the dust or fume originate. Why we use barrier cream? To prevent direct contact of chemicals with skin. What is the well-known property of hydrogen sulfide? Odor of rotten egg. What is an explosion? Explosion is a sudden release of pressure regardless of the source. What is an autogenous ignition temperature? The autogenous ignition temperature is the temperature at which a small amount of a substance will spontaneously ignite in a given atmosphere and burn without further heat input. What are aerosols? Aerosols are substances present in the air as minute particles, dusts, as fumes, metal fumes, or as mists, chromic acid mists. What would you do before working on a pipeline? Isolate it. Drain and purge it of fume or liquid. What must be provided where corrosive fluids are being used? Means of drenching persons with cold water. Eyewash bottles. Give 4 precautions when storing flammable liquids. Fireproof building, fireproof electrical fitting, means of escape, fire appliances, warning notice. Can we use petroleum-based cleaners to clean helmet? No, the petroleum-based cleaners can weaken the chemical composition of the helmet shell. So it is always safe and better to use the soap water solution for cleaning the helmet. Mention 5 common causes of domestic accident death. Fall, fire, burn and death associated with fire, poisoning by liquid or solid, suffocation ingested objects, due to electrical shock. What is the minimum TV viewing distance? 5 times the width of the screen should be the minimum viewing distance. 3 pins used in single-phase plugs are to contact dash. Phase, neutral, earth. For lifting the machined components dash rope must be used. Manila. Periodical inspection of lifting tackles should be done by dash. Competent authority. What is laughing gas? Nitrous oxide. What percentage of oxygen is required for burning? At least 16%. What are the contents of air? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen. What are the methods of transmission of heat? Conduction, convection, radiation. How much volume of air is inhaled by human lungs in 1 minute? 40 liters. Face mask of SCBA is present in pressure line. Low. How much pressure is maintained in low pressure line? 7-8 bar. What is the safety device of BA set? Warning whistle. Which suit is used while using BA set? Fire suit, aluminized asbestos suit, chemical. What is the turnout of a fireman? Dangrai, gumboot, helmet, BA set, torch, fireman axe, personal line. Siphon tube is absent in which extinguisher? CO2. in a container is present in which type of extinguisher? DCP. For firefighting, what should be the minimum pressure of water? 7 bar. Which gas is known as hanging gas? Acetylene. What is added to LPG for smell to detect the leak from cylinder? Mercaptan. PAS stands for pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. What kills most people in fires? Smoke. The reason you close the door on a fire is to prevent smoke spread. How many types of cooling systems are used in fire pump? Direct and indirect. How many faults are checked in pumps? Operating and mechanical. How many types of pressure are observed in pump? Atmospheric and gravitational. How many types of mechanical foam compounds are used? Protein, alcohol resistant, AFFF, high expansion.